radar screen like this. Hail, sleet, snow, and the odd crack of thunder too, especially across the south of England during this afternoon. Now, one thing that's going to change over the next 24 hours is that we're gradually going to lose the winds. They'll still be there, they'll still be moderating as we go through tomorrow, but particularly light winds in the extreme southwest, I think, during tomorrow. That's going to make it feel a bit milder. That's only one side of the picture, though, because there will be some rain as well, some quite persistent and heavier rain showing up in the far southwest by the end of the day on Wednesday. Now, many of the showers that are around in central and eastern parts of Britain will fade away this evening, but still some coming into northern and western Scotland, Northern Ireland and northwest England, with that mixture of hail, sleet and snow once again for the Highlands, causing nasty conditions there. In the southwest, rather more persistent cloud and outbreaks of rain for much of the night. Quite a cold night, really, especially in the shelter of that wind. There will be a ground frost in many central and eastern parts of Britain, some icy roads to watch out for, particularly over Scotland, of course. Well, tomorrow's chart showing very little difference with what it's been really for quite some time, but the added complication of this low pressure coming to the southwest approaches, that will make the wind lighter. It'll also bring some more persistent cloud and rain for much of the time. But a bright start over eastern parts of Scotland and England, quite nice sunshine for a while, but there will be these showers up in the north and the west, and those showers for a time in the middle of the day becoming rather more widespread once again. There could even be the odd crack of thunder, but perhaps not as widespread down through eastern England as we've seen this afternoon. Now, it may well brighten up for a time down over South Wales, but then some more persistent rain arcing back into this area towards the end of the day, and certainly through tomorrow evening some quite wet weather to come then. Now, with the winds being lighter, it'll probably feel a little bit less cold probably. I think about 9 to 11 degrees though, just about sums it up, and that's really quite disappointing for this time of the year. We'll keep this cool run of northwesterly winds right through until the end of the week in actual fact. This low pressure moving away first thing on Thursday morning, so some rain to clear away from the southeast, and then again we're all in the same boat really, with a mixture of sunshine and showers across the whole country, probably feeling a bit colder again as the day goes on, and those showers turning more and more wintry over northern and western parts of Britain. That's Thursday, and Friday showing very little change really, but a bright start in many central and eastern parts of both England and Scotland, a good deal of sunshine to start the day, but again a band of rain moving into Ireland fairly quickly in the morning, and that band of rain pushing right the way across to the North Sea during the afternoon. That's not the end of it, because later on Friday, brighter showery weather returning to many parts of the country, so it's back to square one, staying cool and unsettled right the way into the weekend. And that's it from me.